Alright, so I'm going to show you the process going on. See the fish pond? The koi pond is almost empty. You see? It's almost empty. You can see the lotus flower are doing great. That's my filter material right here. All ready to go in. I cleaned it out. And then see the lotus? Those lotus flowers or lotus plants are doing great, and they will bloom. In the winter they kind of die off, but they are dormant under the water. And I got those lotus as a seed, and maybe I can post a video showing how to use a seed and make your lotus plants. So those are lily and lotus. I have both lily and lotus. And see how the pond is getting emptied out. You see that? So that's how it is. And you can see I'm pumping the water out into this barrel. This is my waterfall barrel, so I can take the water out, and you can see how much poop is coming out. So this barrel has gravels and sediments, or gravel and filter media. I lock the water out using a ball. See the ball? So I lock it in so the water doesn't flow back into the pond while I rinse it. That water is coming from the pond, from the sump pump. There's a sump pump, submersible pump in the pond that you can see right there. That's a sump pump. It's a permanent pump, and it's coming from there. It's pumping out, and it's going into the barrel. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to get the water out, and the pond is almost empty, and I'm going to put new water. And while the water is pumping, the water is also going to my plants. So those drip or those sprinklers, the bigger plants have sprinklers or emitters, like the fruit trees have emitters, and the small ones, shrubs, have sprinklers and misters. But you can see how it's working. That's how I clean my pond. There's a lot of water, huh? Yeah, a lot of water, baby Zane. Don't get wet. Alright, please subscribe. Please subscribe. So you can see how it's working. You see, I'm putting water through here. The ball is there to stop the water from going into the waterfall, back in the waterfall. I'm blocking it so there's no waterfall. The water is not going, the dirty water is not going back. And then this is what I'm using. You see, I'm using just this one goes all the way to the bottom. You push the water up, and you can also put air, like an air compressor, while the water is running. And as you run, you can put air compressor or push with the air as well. So see how it looks. You see, there are different sizes of gravel that you have to put, and this is called a bog filter. Just like a bog like you have in the pond in nature, this is a bog filter. So it's a waterfall box with a bog filter built into it. So it's like a 2-in-1. It filters your water, removes the sediment, keeps the water clean, and also it is a very sustainable and cheap way of filtering your water. It does a very good job. Like I said, I have not changed this water for 1 year. You can still see how much sediment it has caught. It has caught a lot of sediments. So that's how it works. Alright, the fish pond is coming along very well. You see that fish pond? All the plants are doing great. The water lily and all of the lotus, they all survived the winter because they are deep enough so that they can survive the winter. That's how it goes. That's how it works. You see, it's beautiful, huh? Yep, so beautiful. It's coming along very well. Alright, please subscribe to our channel. Helps sustain our backyard farm. All this poop, chicken poop, yeah, chicken poop as well, but all the fish poop, look how it's working. It's working miracles to our fruit trees. The fruit trees are thriving. All these are this is apple. All these apples, you can see, it's a very small tree, young tree, but they are fruiting a lot thanks to the fish. Aquaponics, when you have fish water coming out into your fruit trees, that's what it does. It provides them the best nutrition, and your fruit trees will thrive and fruit without anything else. You don't need any other fertilizer. This is the best fertilizer, natural fertilizer you can buy or you can get. You don't even have to buy, it's all free, right? It's coming from the fish. Thanks to the fish that our plants are using that as fertilizer. It's a ecosystem, so you have to maintain that as an ecosystem. You can see how much I rinsed off, all the filter I rinsed off. I'm going to use that for all my plants right there. I'm going to use that as a fertilizer. That's a green fertilizer that you can use. You can even store it in a big totes, IBC totes, and apply whenever you want to. So that provides a very good nutrition for them. Alright.